Hi, this is Liz. Welcome to my channel. For those of you that have subscribed, thank you so much. For those of you that haven't, go ahead and subscribe so that you can be the first one to be notified when I upload a video, which is every Sunday and Wednesday. If you love fashion, a little bit of luxury, and some lifestyle, this is the place for you. Go ahead and subscribe. For today's video, I want to share with you something I picked up when I went shopping at the Miami Design District. I went into the Louis Vuitton store. I did set up an appointment beforehand. Even before leaving on my trip, I went ahead and I scheduled that so that they would be ready for me, because right now, because of COVID, they are not allowing you to just walk into the store and browse around. You have to have an appointment. So my appointment was with a young lady named Astrid, and she did help us look around the store. I had two bags that I wasn't grabbing for, so I went ahead and sold them, and I'm replacing those two bags with this bag here. I feel like this bag gives my collection a little bit more variety. I have something similar to it, but not exactly the same. So let's go ahead and unbox. Once inside the store is very huge. For any of you that have been there before, you know that it's 4 stories, right? The very first floor is all the women's handbags, and that's what I was there to check out. I also checked out some of the shoes. I was interested in a pair of sneakers. It didn't have my size. So I was walking around and I was a little underwhelmed. There was nothing that was really screaming at me like, you need me in your collection. So as I was walking around the store, there were other customers also, and then I spotted this bag. Now, I've always liked this bag. I don't know why I didn't bring this bag into my collection, but looking at this bag reminded me of this bag here. This is my Vanity PM. I purchased it in November. I have an unboxing on my channel if you want to check out the unboxing. I also have a review where I tell you the good, bad, and the ugly about this one. So I really enjoyed this bag, and when I saw the bag that I'm going to unbox with you, it kind of reminded me of the Vanity PM, but a little bit nicer. When I saw this bag, I always thought to myself, you know what? Why haven't I picked up this bag? This is a beautiful bag. It's not a new bag, but it is a beautiful bag. And for some reason, this bag totally gives me 70s vibes. I don't know why. There's something about it that, I don't know, it just makes me wanna do my 70s shuffle. So I definitely picked it up, and let's go ahead and unbox. Okay, enough of that chatter, right? This is the bag that it comes in. This is the box, and it comes with this blue ribbon. Let's go ahead and untie. Dun, da, da, da. I have the receipt here. Now, this bag was priced before taxes at $28.90. With Florida tax, it was $30.92 and 30 cents. And the name of this bag, dun, da, da, da. Okay, let's open it. Comes with this tissue. Comes in a dust bag. And it is the mini Dauphine bag. Look at this bag. So you see, it's kind of like the distant cousin as far as the reverse monogram. Maybe they're cousins, they're definitely not sisters, but I love a top handle bag and a shoulder bag. Those are the two bags that I love the most. I feel like so put together when I have those silhouettes. So this one is the mini size. See, it still has the plastic. I didn't even have a chance. Today is Wednesday. We arrived home on Sunday, so I just wanted to share this with you so I can start using it. I think it would go beautifully with the dress I have on today. So it has this different kind of LV, this rectangle gold piece right here. And the colors are so yummy, caramel browns, tans, and I thought this bag would be perfect for the fall season that's coming up really, really soon. So I also like that this bag has a detachable strap. So if you want to play with those chunky gold straps that are so on trend right now, you can do that with this bag. Let me go ahead and show you the strap that it comes with. Open this up. This is how it latches closed. And this is the strap. Now, what I loved about this strap is that you can wear it as a shoulder, or you can wear it crossbody, and you can do that by just playing with these little snaps here. You can make it longer or shorter. I think that I would be wearing it mostly on my shoulder. I just like the look of it. When I tried it on in store, I was like, wow, Wow. So these are the clips that it comes with to attach it to the bag. It's a beautiful gold hardware. And like I said, every time I would see this collection, this is the smallest one, but they also have larger ones. I always would say, you know, I really like that. I really enjoy the appearance of this bag, and I am so happy that I went ahead and sold those two other bags that were not even getting touched, because I know this one would be worn a lot in the next coming months when it's fall. Even I can pair it, like I said, with this dress that is like a brown caramelly linen dress, and I'm going to show you some modeling shots so you can see where it lands on me. I'm 5'2", 100 pounds for your reference. Okay, I just wanted to give you some information about this bag. This bag came into the Louis Vuitton family in 2019, and it was released in spring summer. Now, the measurements of this bag, I went ahead and looked it up. The length of this bag is 7.9, and the height of this bag is 5.9, and the width of this bag is 3.5. Now, let me show you what it looks like. You can see here this chunky leather piece, this rectangle. I need to peel off the sticker. And when you open it up, it has a really good suction. There's two compartments. There's a back and a front compartment, and this little tiny pocket here that is really good for sticking in some gum or something really small. And now I'm not like big on where bags were made. If I like it, I like it. But this one was made in France. That's what it's saying in this. And then these are the clips. You can see it right here. And if you turn the bag around, you can see the gold hardware a little bit more here. And this is the bottom of the bag. It kind of has that little accordion look. This is the back of the bag. And that is a really loud clamp. It really holds tight in there, so that's good. So when you're carrying your items, nothing is gonna fall out. And this is the strap, and like I said, you can make it shoulder length, which is how I would be using it, or you can make it crossbody. Now let's cut to the cutaways so you can see what it looks like on. If you've come this far in my video, thank you so much for watching. Let me know, did you enjoy this purchase, or is it something you've already seen and boring? I am really excited about this new purchase. I love bringing in new bags that I know I'm gonna get a lot of wear, and they're not just gonna be sitting there collecting dust. That is my new way of thinking. Make sure you're gonna wear it a ton before you purchase it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment, and give me a thumbs up. Bye.